That got a little rough.
That got a little sketchy.
Did you see there's a little sign knocked over? It was knocked over, and from what I can make of it, it said keep going on this one.
You think we're on the right trail?
I have no idea. So should we keep going, or should...
I think we should.
I do too, I think.
Because there's been nothing that I don't feel comfortable going, turning back and going.
You're right. Oh, shoot. I think this is 100% a horse trail. Someone cut it, but they didn't move it. All right. Alright guys, we are committed, I think. Oh jeez. I could probably ride yours through this part.
Okay, let me have my goggles. There's been motorcycles up here.
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. Yeah, we needed to be cutting across. It must be where that little sign was knocked over. Like, I'm afraid if we stay on this, it's gonna get super steep and nasty.
Yeah. More so than we've already faced.
Yeah. Alright guys, we decided to turn around. This is not the trail we intended to be on. I guess we should have realized that a while ago, but this is going to be a pain getting out of here. So, wish us luck. Oh my gosh.
Woo.
Whew.
All right.
Yeah, I'm good. Huh. Okay guys, we're making it. This is just horrible though. Ah, come on. I could lift it up and you could ride under it.
Hang on.
Come on, baby. Damn it. Oh my gosh. All right, I think this is where we're supposed to go. Yep, the arrow's pointing that away.
Unbelievable!
Yeah.
Do your civic duty and plant that better.
So I rode by and it was like this. So I figured it had fallen here and went like that. But you can tell it's
got to be better than what we just did.
Yeah.
I mean, we were on a stinking horse trail. And we did just go a little ways.
Yeah.
But you know, for a while there, that's a great trail.
I know.
That's a great trail, just like this right here.
Yeah. And that's why when I saw this too, I was like, oh, this looks like the main trail, you know?
Oh boy.
All right, this is the trail we were supposed to go on. Should have stopped and looked at that sign when I went by it the first time.